Today I've come across a unique spider and a unique spider web. There is the spider. First let us get a view of it. It's a black, blue and brown with a few white spots on the thorax, cephalothorax and the abdomen, and this is the ventral part, which is largely brick red, scarlet, something like that. There is another similar spider near here on the next one. Now this is the ventral side that you can see prominently. Now what is so unique about this spider, what I find is its web. You see, it's a tent orb weaver. You can see two different webs clubbed into one. First, an orb web that you can make out, onto which the spider seems to be clinging. There is an ant fighting above on that orb web, and then from a different plane you can see a different web which is like a tent. So this is the on which the spider is sitting, a straight line, that is an orb web plane, and then you see a cone, a triangular web, which is a conical web. Let's try to see from the top if we can. Here we get it. There you see. It's a cone. So it's a tent and a cone together. Same is the case with this other spider. Let me get close. There you see. Conical tent. An orb web. Orb on one side, on one plane on which the spider is resting. We can clearly see the orb, and then from a perpendicular plane you see a tent, a cone, which is such. So the spider has got a three-dimensional web here in form of a house. It's a unique web that I have come across. An orb that goes on into a tent. That's a beautiful spider web. Very strategic and very unique. There you see the tent line. The tent begins, the tent tip. On both the sides, a cone, and then the spider rests within the cone on an orb web. So a unique spider and a unique web. I'll now get a closer picture of the spider for better identity, and then try to find more about it. I'll leave it with that. Bye.